Now children, now let's move on to the next page number 10. We have one more question to practice here. Using a dotted line, we have to draw a dotted line now. अब हमें dotted line draw करनी है. Can you divide the following pictures into two similar half? क्या हम dotted line से इन pictures को similar half में divide कर सकते हैं? Let's see. This is a picture of a comb. How can we divide it into similar half? If I draw a dotted line like this, then this part will not be same as this. So how? If I draw a dotted line like this, अगर मैं इस तरीके से draw करती हूँ, then yes, both the parts will exactly look similar, same दिखेंगे. So by this line, I can divide it into two similar half. Let's see this envelope. How? Will you draw a dotted line like this or dotted line like this? If we draw a dotted line like this, then this will also be a similar half. बिल्कुल सेम हाफ होंगे ये दोनों एक दूसरे की कॉपी. This is a picture of 8. Yes, we can divide it into similar half. Is this scissor? If you draw a dotted line like this, then will it be a similar half? No, because this side we have handles and this side we have scissor. So how can you draw a dotted line in this picture? We will draw a dotted line like this way. This way we can divide it in two similar half. Let's look at the next picture, a button. Yes, we can also divide it into टू सिमिलर हाफ. इसको भी हम एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर हाफ में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. हम कैसे पता लगाते हैं? द फर्स्ट थिंग वी सी पिक्चर एज अ होल. हम एक पिक्चर को एज अ होल देखते हैं, पूरी पिक्चर देखते हैं, एंड विदाउट इवन ड्राइंग अ लाइन वी कैन सी कि अगर उसका फर्स्ट पोर्शन उसके सेकेंड पोर्शन जैसा सेम दिख रहा है, देन इट विल बी सिमिलर हाफ. नाउ लुक एट दिस, अ कैटल. बोथ द पार्ट्स आर डिफरेंट. सो दिस इवन इफ़ यू ड्रॉ डॉटेड लाइन, अगर हम इसमें किसी भी एंगल से डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं तब भी ये मिरर हाफ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज बोथ द पार्ट्स आर डिफरेंट. एक साइड पे हैंडल है और दूसरी साइड पे हैंडल नहीं है. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, अ पेंसिल. येस, इफ वी ड्रॉ अ डॉटेड लाइन लाइक दिस, देन दिस विल ऑल्सो बी अ सिमिलर हाफ. अ कप, exactly like this kettle, it is also not similar half, because one side we have handle and the other side we don't have handle. This is the crown. Yes, it can be divided into two similar half like this. इसको हमने similar half में divide कर सकते हैं. A frog बिल्कुल same होती है, जिससे उसकी half portion होती है the other part, so it is also similar half. Bell, yes, we can divide. A CD, look at the design. The design is not on the other side, so it will not be similar half. You can draw a line, dotted line, to show that this is not similar half, क्योंकि ये नहीं बन रहा है. This airplane, if we divide it like this, then both the parts look similar. दोनों पार्ट जो हैं सेम दिखेंगे. So yes, this. Now look at this portion and this one. This one is small and this one is large. Even if we divide it like this or like this, this will not be similar half. ये सेम नहीं होगा. Digit 2. The other part, the one part is not equal to the other part, so it will not be similar half. Sunglasses exactly look the same. जैसा आपका वन साइड का सनग्लास होता है, दूसरी आई के लिए भी सेम होता है, so it is similar half. Briefcase, yes, if you draw a dotted line like this, then this will be a similar half. Iron, both the parts are different, so it is not similar half. Umbrella, umbrella is also not similar half because of its handle. It is bent from this side and not from this side, so it is not similar half. Look at the clock. The clock will be similar half or not? Yes, because it is round. But if you look at the needle, we don't have needle this side. यहाँ पे जो needle है वो यहाँ नहीं है, so this is not similar half. I hope this question is clear to you.